Hi, I'm Mary Spirito. I'm an optimization coach. I'm here today with Urban Leaf, 88 Acres, and Burlap and Barrel, and we're going to show you guys how to make a cinnamon apple basil smoothie today, topped with seed nola. Okay, let's talk ingredients. So first off, we have an apple. We've all heard the old adage, apple day keeps the doctor away, but it's full of immune boosting properties and phytonutrients. We have our basil here from Urban Leaf. Urban Leaf makes gardening kits for city dwellers. They're easy to use, low maintenance, and fit very elegantly on a windowsill. Banana, we all know that it's high in potassium, but it's also high in fiber and vitamins C and B. We have the Kraft Seed Nola. This one is apple and ginger from 88 Acres. 88 Acres makes seed-based snacks with simple, nutritious ingredients. We have lemons. Lemons are highly detoxifying. Even though they're acidic in nature, they're actually really alkalizing for the body and really help to detox the blood and the lymph. And then we have these cinnamon verum chips from Burlap and Barrel. Burlap and Barrel creates single origin spices sourced directly from their partner farms. Cinnamon is prized for its many healing properties. It's not only great for the immune boosting and healing properties, but it also helps to manage blood sugar. And then we have avocado, which is really high in healthy fat and adds a nice creamy consistency to the smoothie. We also have collagen peptides here, which is great for a protein boost in this smoothie. Collagen is great for the skin, but also for the joints. And then to finish off, we have this pumpkin seed milk, which is full of magnesium and zinc and provides healthy fat and a nice consistency for the smoothie. Smoothie is ready. It's this beautiful light green color and it has this really nice creamy consistency, which I always enjoy in a smoothie. There we go. Just give it a little tap. And then we'll just top it off with some of this 88 Acres Kraft Seed Nola to add a little crunch. It's delicious. It has that spicy flavor from the basil, but also that citrusy flavor from the cinnamon, apple, and let's try a little bit of the seed nola. That's delicious. Hey guys, we just got finished making this delicious apple, cinnamon, and basil smoothie topped with this 88 Acres Kraft Seed Nola. Be sure to follow Urban Leaf, who provide the basil, 88 Acres that provided the Kraft Seed Nola, and Burlap and Barrel, who provided the cinnamon chips, so that you can learn how to make this very smoothie at home. Also, stay tuned because there's going to be a little bit of a giveaway for you guys so that you'll have everything that you need to create this.